Hi guys, this is EdUcode with SK, and machine learning and data science part 1 is launching now, and today we are going to discuss some basic and important information about data science. So please watch the video till the end. Let's see the basic definition. What is a data? A data is a general concept, refers to some existing information of knowledge which is represented as a code in some form of suitable or better uses or processing. So there are lots of data, billions and trillions of data which has been created at every time. So who is a data scientist? Data scientists are big data wranglers gathering and analyzing large sets of structured and unstructured data. They analyze, process, and model data, then interpret the results to create actionable plans for companies and other organizations. So as I know that in our labs we have scientists and like to deal with the data we have data scientists who deal with the lot of data every day. So the every action you take, either you text someone on WhatsApp, search a product on Amazon, upload a post on Instagram, like or comment on Facebook, in fact you search for a data science on YouTube like this video, is all about a data. These all are data. Okay, so everything we do with our laptop, MacBook, or our mobile phone, these all come under the category of creation of data. Let's see the skills which are needed to become a data scientist. So first of all, you have to brush up on your math and statistics skills, understand the concepts of machine learning, learn to code, understand databases, data lakes and distributed storage, learn data mining and data cleaning techniques, understand the basics of good data visualization and reporting, add more tools to your toolbox, and the most important thing, you need to practice this all. So these all are the things which we are going to discuss throughout this series. So whoever not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Catch you all in my next video. Thank you. Take care.